Namaste. My name is Yadagiri from ZPHS Munalur High School. So now we have to study about today polynomials. So definition of the polynomials is a polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the variables have only non-negative integer powers. So in this definition we have to know three terms firstly. So that is non-negative integers. First this term and so non-negative integers first we have to know. Then after first we know very well about integers. So in the middle 0, on right side positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. So on the left side of number line -1, -2, -3 and so on. So these are the integers, but we want only non-negative integers. For understanding the non-negative integers, first we know very well these are the negative integers. Remaining all on right side, these are the non-negative integers. So this is the concept of non-negative integers. To make algebraic expression, we use the number line this type. So we take variable. Suppose here variables, use variable x power of 0 we write here, x power of 1, x power of 2, x power of 3 and x power of -1, x power of -2, x power of -3. These are all algebraic expressions to understand for easily. But we want in this definition a polynomial is an algebraic expression in which the variables have only non-negative integer powers. So that's why we take only these are all algebraic expressions. So we want only non-negative integer powers. So x power of 0, x power of 0 means 1. So we write 1 plus x square. This is the polynomial. 1 plus x square plus x3. This is also polynomial. This is the introduction of polynomials. Which are polynomials or not? So question: variable, exponent, non-negative integer and polynomial. So first we have to write the question 2x power of 4, and in this question variable is x, exponent is 4. This 4 belongs to non-negative integer? Yes. So that's why 2x power of 4 is polynomial. So y power of 1 by 5. So in this question variable is y, exponent is 1 by 5. So this is not first integer. So that's why it is not belongs to non-negative integer. So this is no. So that's why y power of 1 by 5 is not polynomial. Next 6. But we can write 6 as 6x power of 0. So in this question variable is x. So exponent is 0. So the 0 belongs to non-negative integer? Yes. So that's why it is polynomial. So the remaining two are you have to do. Thank you. We have to know the first degree of the polynomial and types. Now we take the given. First we have to observe the given polynomial 2x plus 5. So first we know definition. Definition degree of the polynomial is the highest power of variable in the given polynomial. So first we take the polynomial, given polynomial 2x plus 5. So in this example variable is x, power is 1. So it is only 1, the power is 1. So itself the power of the degree of the 2x plus 5 is 1. So this is it having specific name is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So general form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b. In this one condition is there, a not equal to 0. So next, itself in the above example 2x plus 5, suppose we take the only first term, itself it is linear polynomial. Next example, x square plus 5x, x square minus 5x plus 6. So in this variable is x, powers 2, 1. Highest power is, so this is 2. So specific name, so this is having specific name quadratic polynomial. So general form of this ax square plus bx plus c. So here one condition is there, a not equal to 0. So in the above x square minus 5x plus 6, how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. But only we take only one term, x square, itself it is quadratic polynomial. Next, third one, 5x cube minus 4x square plus x minus 1. So in this x variable, powers x power of 3, x power of 2, x power of 1 and x power of remaining 0. So highest power is 3. So this specific name is cubic polynomial. So general form of the cubic polynomial is ax power 3, bx 2 power 2, cx plus d. Here also one condition is there, a not equal to 0. So in this example, only we write only itself 5x cube. It is also cubic polynomial. Next, 6. Itself we can write is 6 into x power of 0. Variable is x, power is only 0. The degree of polynomial is 0. But this constant polynomial. This is called constant polynomial. Okay. Polynomial. Next concept is value of the polynomial. For understanding, we take one example. So p of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. So replace x by 1. Suppose we take the x is equal to 1. That means substitute the one value in the place of x. So directly we substitute the one value at x is equal to 1. In the place of x square, 1 square minus x minus 1 minus 6 as it is. We get answer p of 1 is equal to minus 6. So p of 1 is equal to minus 6 is the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 1. So this is the value of the polynomial p of x. P of x, that means given k is the substituting value. We denote the value of the polynomial is p of k. This p of k means value of the polynomial. So we take another example. P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Here replace x by minus 2. That means we substitute the value x is equal to minus 2. So in the place of x we substitute value minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2 minus x. So we get answer 0. So here we observe one thing. Here p of 1 value is minus 6, but here p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So here we observe one thing, that is p of k is equal to 0. So p of x, that means given polynomial, substituting value is the k. Then suppose we observe one thing, if p of k is equal to 0, so k is called as 0 of the polynomial. So this is the concept about the 0 of the polynomial today.